Welcome to Gariautocare. Right now I have Nissan AD. This vehicle has a problem with the check engine on the dashboard. The second problem is it doesn't accelerate. Let me try to accelerate. Let me show you. I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the fault code, and we're going to handle this vehicle according to the fault code. So let me go back. So under engine, so read the fault code. So the main fault code here is P0102 Mass airflow sensor circuit, and we have P0113, which is IAT sensor circuit. So according to this fault code, the fault is mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to swap mass airflow sensor to see how this vehicle is going to perform. I have already swapped the mass airflow sensor, so I'm going to start the vehicle. We still have check engine on the dashboard. Let me try to accelerate. See, it's very smooth. So the next step is to clear fault code from the system. Clear fault code is completed. Okay, let me read again. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.